Hey guys, this is Wes with Untamed Outdoors, and listen, I want to tell y'all something. It is Friday. It's tomorrow. It starts deer season, and me and my wife got off work, and we were able to get out and go fishing today. So, man, we're fixing to drop this boat off in the water, and we gonna see what we can do this morning. Y'all stick around and see what we can get our hands on. I wonder why they're not just hammering. You may not have the right color. Put a black and chartreuse on there, see what happens. Or a blue or a pink one or something a little different. And I have a bunch of them too if you want some of mine. There you go. There you go. Well, that's not where I wanted to start, but look at here. It's a fish. That's what's been hitting them little old. Ow. Look at there. Little bitty dude. But I'll take him. Thank you, Lord. That's the one. That's the one that's gonna happen on right there. See how clean the water is right there at the base? I mean, it look like you'll be able to see the trees get it. Have I got a fish? Golly. You gonna fish with this pole? A little better. I've got to do a better job. Look at there, guys. Pretty fish, isn't it? You hung? Huh? Well, I just broke my line. But I think I got the hook out without hurting the fish. What do you think about that? But there you go. Is that a crappie? And I get the net. That's a good one. That is a good one. Look at this, guys. Y'all look at this. I'm bass fishing, and I am catching these on wacky worms. These are good fish. I'll put it in there. That ought to catch a fish right there. There he was. Oh, you little fighting dude, you. Oh, this pole here is going to be fun, I can tell. That's not even real big. Golly. Well, unfortunately, we may have to keep this one. I let him take that too long. We'll see how easy it comes out. No, we'll let him go. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, isn't it? Get him, get him. Oh, they put smiles on their faces. I bet there's another one in there. I bet there's another one in there. Hold him up, show him to you. Good job, Annalie. Annalie putting another one in the boat. Come on. Come on. That's a good one. That is a good one. They finally.
Look at that one.
You want to weigh that? Pull your thing out.
What?
Get your thing out. You want some pliers? Here, you got it. Here you go. You just have to be careful not to get your line, or the next one will break it off. Man, they're killing it too. Are you holding your line? If you hold the line, that's bleeding. Let's see what he was. £1.8 pounds. Do what?
Leader.
Yeah, you get down in there and got something. You got him? You're gonna rip his lip. Get his lip. Get his lip. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, yeah, take a picture of that.
Hold up. I want one on my phone too. Yeah, it's probably close to 2 pounds. And a good job. If I hadn't got hung in it the first time, you might have caught 2 or 3 out of it then. I got kind of tangled up in there. There you go. Oh, he's gonna jump, put on a show for us. Come on, baby. Get out of that. Get out of that. Get yourself out of that. There you go. Is he that big? No. Nah, he's just doing some little old fighting. Y'all check that out. Boy, he was really putting on a show. I like that. Man, we've caught 4 or 5 bass, maybe more than that. Anna's caught a couple really, really nice bass. We're not keeping any of the bass, but Anna is crappie fishing, and she has got 3 or 4 in the ice chest that are nice. Now we take him home, we're gonna eat them. There he is. Look at him run. Look at him run. There he comes. Oh, run. Run, sucker. That's a crappie. Get the net, please. Yeah. Oh my goodness. We have found a little spot here. That's a bass. Look at that lady putting it on him. gosh. I love it. Yeah. I think your crappie's over here. Uh-oh. And I'm over here, huh? I think I just got a hit. Is he on there? Little dude. All right. Boy, they're swallowing it. That yum. I wish I wouldn't do that. No, it's not too bad. Check him out, guys. Man, Mama's caught some big crappie. I wished I'd have brought a crappie pole. There we go. That looks like one there too. Oh. That ain't no crappie, surely. Surely. I don't think that's a crappie. I think that's a big old bass. I wish you could we could look at each other's, you could see what I got on my line right now. Look at there, guys. That's a good crappie, Mom. Look at there. That's awesome. Love it.
You too. Go give me some Melhorn magic.
You got her? Come on, girl. You may have to tighten your drag on top so it won't. Is it a bass or a crappie? That's a crappie.
Get in here.
Hold him up for us. Not, look at there, the bait fell out. Nice fish, nice fish. All right, this is where they're at. All right, guys, we're gonna keep a few crappie. Miss Hannah Lee. What a treat today. Anna come out here fishing with me. I'm gonna pull up in there on top of him. I mean, I figure it's a carp too, but. Is it a bass or a crappie? It's a oh my gosh! That's what I'm talking about.
He fought harder than any of them.
Oh my gosh. Little bitty fella, what are you talking about? Huh? You can't even get your hand wrapped around him.
Nice one.
Heck
Keeping him?
yeah, keeping him. That's what I wanted to see when the time gets right. Well, let's just kind of go back where we caught them fish, let you fish around. There he is, and we'll just head back. That sucker. Is he home around there? What have I got here? Little bass. Boy, these things are pretty. Look at there. Nice. You got him? Hold him. Please don't pick that up. Oh, gosh almighty. I'm loving it. Man. Y'all be able to catch 2 more now, because that's what we needed. Hold up. Golly. Is that the biggest one yet? He is a good. Yeah, you have to be careful with them old lips. Old paper lips will break. Hold him up there for us. Golly, what a fish. Well, I said if we had 10, I think you like one more.
Right there, little one. Tom, get on there.
That's pretty cool. You got him reeled up pretty close to your rod there. You about got him down to the reel.
Got like a nose piercing.
Get him. Is it a crappie, you think? Big old brim. Golly. Yeah. I like brim. That's some of my favorite to eat. Probably would. Oh. There we go. I think his water's a little, uh-oh. There you go. His water's a little deeper. Oh, jump for me. Bass. Got him. Got him. I need that pair of pliers, please. There he is. Hey guys, it's Wes with Untamed Outdoors, and man, we have been out here today. It's mid-November. Deer season is gun season's actually getting ready to start tomorrow. And man, the weather's been kind of gloomy, but man, I got the opportunity to come out today on a Friday. Anna was off, so she come out with me, and man, we have had a blast. I come out here with the intentions of trying to catch a few bass. Anna brought a crappie rod, and listen, she has got an ice chest full of slab crappie. Y'all take a look at this right here. I'm talking about slab crappie. Man, we're glad that you guys come along with us and cannot wait for all of us to be in the boat again. Thanks for hanging out with us. Hey, if you like this, subscribe, like, and share, all right? See you guys later.